Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys. To all 577 family members, I hope that you're all okay. My day's been pretty good. I'm going to do another taste test now. And it's Kershaw's again. And this is a minced beef hot pot with carrots and peas. 420 grams. And there it is on the box. It says £2, which if you buy them individually they are. But at the moment in farm foods they are 3 for £5. You can oven cook them at 200 for 30 minutes, or you can microwave them for 12 minutes. The ingredients are minced beef hot pot 57%, water, minced beef, beef 100%, sliced onions, soya protein, tomatoes, modified waxy maize starch, wheat flour, wheat, calcium carbonate, niacin, iron, thiamine, dextrose, salt, spice extracts, flavourings and smoke flavourings, rapeseed oil, stabilisers, xanthan gum, herb extract, rosemary, mint, malt vinegar, spirit vinegar, molasses, sugar, anchovies, tamarind extract, onions, garlic, spice, potato starch, malted extract, yeast extract, beef extract, sunflower oil, citric acid and ground black pepper. And the sautéed potatoes in this are 26%, carrots 11%, and the peas are 6%. Your allergy warnings are for soya, wheat, fish, and that's it. The nutritional information is there, should anybody wish to stop the video and take a look. Dear customer, founded in 1946 by Margaret and Edwin Kershaw, we have remained a proud family-owned run business, committed to making delicious, great value meals for you and for your family to enjoy. We make a meal of it so you don't have to, says David Kershaw. So there it is, folks. And here it is. That's what it looks like after it's been cooked. So, the proof is in the tasting. So let's give it a go. And here we go. I have to say that it smells very nice. Smells very nice indeed. I'm just hoping that that smell isn't deceiving. And here we are with the peas and carrots, which are pretty standard in all Kershaw's meals. So, we'll give it a go. We'll try a potato first. That's not a big potato. We'll try this one. There's one of the potatoes. Let's see what it's like. The potato is actually very nice. Very well seasoned. Has a nice texture. It actually tastes like potato. Try some carrots now. There we are. I've thrown that one down, but hey ho. See what the carrots are like. The carrots are very nice. We'll have a go at the peas. The peas are a little bit hard, but they're not unpleasant. The seasoning is absolutely perfect. So, let us try the main event, the minced beef. It's absolutely fine. It's perfectly seasoned, you can taste the onion coming through. So far so good. No gnarly bits, no fat and gristle. All in all, this is a very pleasing plate of food. The flavours are absolutely perfect. The seasoning's perfect. Everything is cooked as it should be. As I said, the only thing that I find that the peas are a little bit hard, but the carrot tastes of carrot. It has a nice gentle crunch to it, and this is a very good effort from Kershaws. Really good. I would definitely buy this again without a second thought. It's really nice. That's a cat that you can probably hear ruining yet another video. That is one of the best Kershaw meals I've ever had. And it's high praise indeed, but I would give this 10 out of 10. This is excellent. Every mouthful is a pleasure. And I know you don't want to watch an old bald man eating a Kershaw's meal for too long. So, if you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment in the box below. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And above all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please feel free to do so. It will cost you absolutely nothing, helps the channel grow, and we become part of a bigger community. And on that note, as always, I will say to you all, Namaste. And may your God go with you. Bye for now, everyone.